If you're experiencing lag spikes on your Steam Deck, follow these simple steps to help improve performance and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check for updates. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select Software Update to check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can resolve performance issues. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in your games. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow effects. This can help reduce the load on your system and minimize lag. Step 3. Manage background processes. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the library, and check for any apps that may be consuming resources. Closing these can free up memory and processing power. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Adjust the power settings for better performance. Go to Settings, then Performance, and select a higher performance mode. This can help the Steam Deck allocate more resources to your games, reducing lag. Step 5. Clear cache. Clear the cache of your Steam Deck to improve performance. Go to Settings, then Storage, and select the option to clear the cache. This can help resolve any temporary files that may be causing slowdowns. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enhance your gaming experience on the Steam Deck. Enjoy your games.